playing Bedwars every day until I get gifted MVP Plus day 18. Please help me get to 1,000 subscribers because this commenter said they'll give me if I reach the goal. Today's Bedwars video will be played with a twist. I'm playing without my WASD keycaps. So on my keyboard, I have removed the WASD. Okay, we are in, and oh god, this feels weird to play like. Oh, I just teleported back. Interesting. Oh god, this is weird. Jesus. There we go. Oh god, how am I? Okay. Okay. Oh no. Oh. I'm so confused.